Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, when people mess with the wrong cops, shows real dashcam moments where bad decisions lead to instant consequences. Stay tuned to see how quickly situations can change. Police received an emergency call about a man under the influence of drugs and armed with a knife. When officers approached, the suspect initially appeared cooperative, but suddenly pulled out a knife and charged at them. Despite being tased, he remained aggressive and refused to stop. His defiance of the law and disregard for police commands only pushed the situation further out of control.
Get back! Get back! Get back! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Drop it! Hands your game! Drop it! Drop it! Get back! Get down! Get down! Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground! Down on the ground! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
The law does not stand alone. Citizens are also willing to assist the police. As seen in this situation, running away has never been a smart choice.
Are you bleeding, sir? Yeah, you're bleeding. Stop resisting.
Good, how are you? I'm Officer Shell. This is Josh. There's a mental health counselor at Rochester.
Police located an arson suspect after gathering information from nearby residents. The situation escalated when the suspect pulled out a knife and refused to comply with police commands. In the end, the law shows no leniency toward those who openly challenge justice. Cheektowaga police officers knocked on the door for a long time, but the assault suspect inside did not respond. The situation became tense when Hugh Davis suddenly rushed out and attacked officers with a large knife. The incident escalated rapidly as Davis attempted to assault the officers. Challenging the law with violence leads to an unavoidable outcome. Downtown Colorado Springs quickly descended into chaos when a man carrying a gun appeared near nightclubs that were about to close. When police approached, he turned and ran, attempting to draw his weapon, which made the situation far more serious. Carrying a weapon and resisting police orders always comes at a very high cost.
Put your fucking hands up. Hey, put your hands up. Get your hands up now. Get the, stop running. He's got a gun. Get your hands out of your hand pockets now. Hey, put your hands up. Get your hands up now. Get the, stop running. He's got a gun. Get your hands out of your hand pockets now.
It's fake.
I know, I see it. All right, go ahead, keep up.
All right, ready?
An emergency call reporting a knife attack prompted Los Angeles police to respond immediately. The suspect was highly agitated, smashed a glass door, and aggressively charged outside with a knife in hand. The law does not show mercy to those who attack law enforcement officers with weapons.
Let me, hey, if I can get a chance, I'm gonna take him. Watch out, slow.
The situation escalated when Whitaker, a suspect connected to a robbery, rammed into two other vehicles, trapping a police sergeant against a car door. Fleeing and endangering law enforcement comes with a heavy price. Two reckless male suspects stormed into Diablo Valley Federal Credit Union and robbed employees at gunpoint. As they fled, police spotted them and gave chase. Even after their vehicle broke down, one suspect continued to flee on foot while carrying a handgun. No matter how hard they try to run, no one can escape the law.
Shots fired. Once something you take into custody, I'll give you an address in a little bit.
Despite repeated commands, Dennis refused to exit the vehicle, forcing police to break the window. The situation escalated when he pulled out a knife while being dragged from the car, leaving officers with no choice but to open fire to stop the threat. When stubborn resistance turns into a deadly threat, the consequences are inevitable.
There's active, kick him down.
Salt Lake City police received an emergency call reporting a serious domestic violence incident. After forcing entry, officers were confronted by a suspect holding a large knife. Despite repeated commands to drop the weapon, he charged toward them. When the threat became too great, the law had to act to end the danger.
Okay, I got the basement. You guys practice it downstairs.
Do it.
Police support, right? Police! Get on the f***ing ground! Drop the knife! Drop the f***ing knife!
Carrying a weapon while defying police orders only makes the ending worse. The robber learned a harsh lesson of his own.
Stop! Put your hands up! Put your hand up! Put your hands up!
on. Take your hand out of your pocket right now. Get your hand out of your pocket. Get on the sidewalk.
In Sacramento, a man was reported waving a gun and pointing it at pedestrians. When officers arrived, they determined the suspect had an object resembling a firearm in his pocket. Ignoring repeated commands to stop and drop the weapon, he continued advancing while shouting provocations. When he pulled out the gun, officers were forced to take action.
Please just go on the sidewalk.
Back up, back up.
Stop.
Back around this way.
Do not stop. Do not.
He's done. That's a gun.
Do not.
Don't reach for it.
Do not reach my gun. Please. Do not. Do not. Hey, just put your hands in the air. We will help. Put your hands in the air. Do not reach my gun. He's got the gun. Get back. Get back. Shots fired. Shots fired.
Despite being wanted for multiple serious crimes, Alexander Yepes Ortega continued to resist when located. Police responded after receiving reports of a domestic dispute. When discovered, Ortega fled and attempted to hide inside a vehicle. Once surrounded, he swung a knife at officers, escalating the situation. Confronting the law leads to only one outcome.
Hang on, just hold them there. Hey, keep your hands up. I can see there. Hands up.
Keep your arm.
You okay? Yep. Keep holding here. Keep your head. Come up. You guys ready to take over?
Police received reports of a man wielding an axe and threatening people inside a library. After causing a disturbance and damaging property at the Pacific Beach Library, Hanley fled the scene but was quickly located by San Diego police. Despite being ordered to drop the weapon, he refused, and the law immediately responded.
Put the axe down. Put the axe down. Get some distance. Get some distance. Drop it. Drop it. No, drop the axe. Drop the axe. Drop the axe. Drop it. Keep going.
Watch yourself, Adam. What's your birthday?
Police were called for a suspected break-in, but after confirming with the homeowner, they learned the man was legally allowed to be there. It seemed the situation was resolved, but when questioned further, the man began acting evasively. It was later discovered that he was wanted, and no matter how far he ran, he could not escape the law. As we wrap up, these moments show what happens when lines are crossed. What do you think about these encounters? Which clip surprised you most? Share your thoughts below, and thanks for watching.